then say, "Can you come over here, please?" And then you guys run fast.
Go over there.
Get over there, Amanda. Get over there.
Get over here.
Amanda, turn.
Oh, crap.
Wait,
Oh
Megan.
my goodness.
Chris.
Hey, hey, you can put that away.
Come on out.
Come on.
No?
Jared.
Hey. What the heck? Should I turn on this light?
Yes.
Okay.
The more lights, the better.
How do I rewind it? How do I go back to the phone?
Okay, is that better? Oh, jeez. Oh. Oh.
Maybe it's the way you walked straight to my front door and left it. Pictures of my favorite boy band. A letter asking me a question. It said, will you go to prom with me? I said, Jeremy, it would be my dream. And we'll dance all night at the Mormon prom. We'll sing every line. It will be the bomb, so we'll go, it's a yes. It will make it better, cause we'll dance all night at the Mormon prom. And we'll go, oh, oh, oh. And we'll go, yeah, yeah, yeah. And we'll go, oh. Best night ever. It'll be the best night ever. You'll have the best night ever.
Oh my goodness. Oh,
Yay!
oh, oh, shoot. Oh my goodness.